Is it actually true that you can start on affiliate marketing with no money? Literally $0? Well, yes and no. It all depends on how you do it. Because there are two ways to go about affiliate marketing. One requires money and the other doesn't. You see, most people think affiliate marketing is a free business model because apparently there are no costs to it. Why? First and most obvious, you don't need to build and develop a product or a service of your own. Since you'll be promoting someone else's product, that means you don't have to invest money into designing the product, building it, creating the logo, packaging, managing the warehouse, shipping, employees, all of that. Or if it was a digital service, such as a course, same thing. You don't need to spend money on recording equipment, building a website that allows you to host it, and video editors and all that. That's because you're selling someone else's thing, so you don't need to do any of that. So technically, all you need as an affiliate is that special link that contains your affiliate ID. So when someone clicks your link, they'll go to the vendor's website, and when they're persuaded into making the purchase and buy, you get a neat commission out of that. So yeah, it is true that you don't need a product, you don't even need a customer service team, you don't need a website, but you have to need something, right? Yes. And that is traffic. Traffic is the name of the game. It's the key part of any online business. If you don't have views, clicks, engagement, then you have no money. So how do you get traffic? There's two ways. You can do organic traffic or paid traffic. Here's the thing, the only true way to do affiliate marketing for free is to go with organic traffic. This means, for example, going out there, find the product you like, either on a platform like ClickBank or MaxWeb, setting up an account, getting your affiliate link, and then building something that you can use to drive up traffic and take people to that affiliate link, such as writing a blog, which from time to time will include one of your affiliate links and you could make a sale from it, or a podcast, or perhaps making videos and posting them on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok and posting an affiliate link there either in the description or comments. Which is what we're doing on this channel, honestly. We have a link on the description of our videos that take you to a free workshop that teaches how complete beginners can make between $100 and $700 a day with no past experience. That's one of the main purposes of this channel. So, doing organic traffic has two positive things about it and two negative things. The good two things is that first, it's free. You'll only need to put in the time. So in the case of building a YouTube channel, there isn't really any significant expenses besides your time. Yeah, there are a few things you might need to pay, like video editing software, stock footage service, some analytic tools, and some other stuff, but it's not crazy amounts of money. The second good thing about organic traffic is that it's mostly permanent. Once you post a video on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or you make a website, such as a blog, most likely than not, it's gonna be there forever. So a few years down the line, sales might still be coming in from people who are still watching those videos. Unless the platform shuts down, obviously, which is something I personally think will happen to TikTok either this year or the next. Going the organic way might pay off, but here's the two big downsides. First, it's slow to grow. Very, very slow. If you're starting a blog, it could take years to take off and gain enough traffic for you to make any significant money. You're basically building some sort of brand at this point. Same with a YouTube channel or an Instagram page. If you have some experience, you might be able to do it faster, but still, these things can take literally years. So it might take even 6 months before you even see a few bucks come in. There will be a lot of unpaid work if you go the organic way. Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, has famously explained multiple times how many years it took him to start making money off YouTube. And the same story repeats for most YouTubers out there, and any other way of building organic traffic. That's because the way you build organic traffic is through building an audience, and building an audience takes time. The second big downside of organic traffic, and maybe even most important than the first one, is you might need some innate skill. And these skills are not easy to acquire or develop. Learning to write persuasively and consistently on interesting topics when building your blog or starting a YouTube channel and speaking in front of a camera and being charismatic enough, that's tough to learn. Some would argue it's an innate skill. Of course you can get better at it, but still, it can be very taxing and painful. In a way, it's like stand-up comedy. You have to bomb a few times before you can make it. You post a video on Instagram or YouTube, people don't like it, you try again, post it, negative reaction, and you keep repeating that for months or years until eventually something will work out. The good thing is that once you make it work, you might argue now you're set, and it will be smooth sailing for the most part, but the way there will be rough. And here's the important thing. What if you need money now? What if you cannot wait for a few years? Well, that's where paid traffic comes into the equation. Paid traffic has two downsides. The first one is obvious. It costs money. This was the whole premise of the video. A lot of people say that you can do affiliate marketing for free, but then go and start talking about how to run ads to promote products. So yeah, while it's true that most of the things you'll need for affiliate marketing are basically free, if you go down the paid traffic route, you'll need cash. The second downside is that usually you're not building anything long-term with it. Usually there's some people who still manage to collect some emails, but in general, people who do affiliate marketing through paid ads just drive the traffic from the ad to the vendor's website and that's it. The problem with that is if by any reason one day your ad shut down, your income might go to zero overnight, so beware. But here's the two best things about doing affiliate marketing with paid traffic. First, you can make money overnight. It is entirely possible that you set up a YouTube ads campaign for an affiliate product you found online, launch it, and start making sales the next day. It's not common for people who've never run ads, but we've seen it quite a few times. This doesn't happen with organic traffic. Second good thing is that it's easily scalable. Once you have an ad running that's making you from $100 to $500 a day, it doesn't take that much effort to turn it into $1,000 to $5,000 a day. It's mostly a matter of tweaking a few things and increasing your ad spending budget. Back when I started with affiliate marketing, it only took me 1 month to start making more than $1,000 a day in revenue. And after another month, I got to $3,000 a day. And 2/3 of that was profit. I was spending $1,000 a day on ads and making $2,000 back on profit every single day. You cannot get these kind of results with organic traffic starting from zero. But with paid traffic you can, because you're leveraging all the traffic platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram get on a daily basis to your benefit.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.